Albania, a brief overview. Albania is a nation situated in southern Europe on the coast of the Adriatic Sea. It shares land borders with Greece, Montenegro, North Macedonia, and Kosovo. Known as Illyria in antiquity, the region boasts a long and complex history, from ancient Illyria to Ottoman rule. In the 15th century, the Albanian people launched a significant, though ultimately unsuccessful, revolt against the encroaching Ottoman Empire. Following this defeat, the Ottomans conquered the territory and maintained control over Albania for centuries, fundamentally shaping its culture and history. Path to independence. The long period of Ottoman rule concluded in the early 20th century. Following the First Balkan War, Albania declared its independence in 1912. This landmark event marked the re-establishment of a sovereign Albanian state after centuries of foreign dominion, interwar and wartime strife. The newly independent nation quickly faced external pressures. In the 1920s, Albania effectively became an Italian protectorate. This influence culminated in a direct invasion and annexation by Italy in 1939, just before the outbreak of World War II. Shifting occupiers and Soviet influence. The control of Albania shifted again in 1943 after the fall of Mussolini, when German forces took over. Their occupation lasted until partisan forces, supported by the Soviet Union, finally liberated the country. The communist era and isolation. Post-war Albania aligned itself with the Eastern Bloc, establishing a communist regime under the dictator Enver Hoxha. However, Hoxha famously broke with the Soviet bloc in 1960, leading Albania into a period of extreme isolationism that lasted until 1998, when a new democratic constitution was finally ratified. Albania remains one of Europe's poorest countries today, with a population of approximately 2.9 million as of 2018. The birth of a national currency. The economic history of modern Albania began in 1926 with the establishment of its first modern monetary system, which replaced a chaotic reliance on various foreign currencies. The official unit was the Albanian gold franga, AFR, with the lek initially defined as a subunit, where 1 franga equaled 5 lek. The lek under King Zog I. This initial system was carefully pegged to the gold standard. After 1928, when Ahmet Zogu declared himself monarch, the currency issues began featuring the image of King Zog I. Wartime modifications and socialist control. During the turbulent period of the Italian and German occupations between 1939 and 1944, the Albanian currency underwent several essential modifications. Following the communist takeover after World War II, the banking system was nationalized, and the lek became a strictly state-controlled socialist currency. The new lek and modernization. A critical monetary reform occurred in 1965 with the introduction of the new lek, AL. This change simplified the economy by setting the exchange rate at 1 new lek is equal to 10 old lek. Today, the Bank of Albania issues the currency, which features national symbols and historical figures. Since the democratic transition in the 1990s, the lek has been continually modernized with improved security features, reflecting Albania's shift towards a market economy and its closer integration with the rest of Europe.